unit of length, kilograms the unit of weight, and the letters of unit of the volume, and seconds in the unit of the time. Generally we know the meter in length. Okay, kilograms, kgs in the weight, liter in the volume, seconds in the time. For example, in case of length or distance, you can use centimeters for the measuring of the length of the pencil. It is small. For example, we have in case of the length or distance, we use centimeters. For example, measuring the length of the pencil. We are using how to find using the centimeter. Why? Because this is a small length. So this length is small. So we have to use centimeters. You have to measure the saree. How to find the saree length using meters. Okay. And kilometers for measuring distance between the two peoples. Kilometers are using distance between the two peoples. What is the kilometer? We have to find the how can we find the distance between the two places? By using kilometers. But for measuring the thickness of a paper, even centimeter is too big. We use millimeters in this case. Actually, how to find the length of the pencil using centimeters. Why? Pencil is small. Another example, how to find the saree, use the meters. How many meters are in the saree? We can count this using the meters. How to find the two places distance, use kilometers. So, for measuring the thickness of a paper, even centimeter is also big. We use, in this case, some cases in this happened. In this case, we have to use a millimeter. Since there is a relationship between all of them, we need to know about this conversation. Let's see. Ten millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 millimeter. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometers. See, by using this, we are doing sums. Okay. Let's see example 1. Tendulkar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 1530 runs in the test match and 1800 runs in the one-day cricket. What is the total number of runs scored by him in the both formats? Here, Tendulkar, all know the famous player Tendulkar, right? The Tendulkar so far scored in 15,013 runs in one test match. And the runs in one day, and the match 18,111 runs in the one day cricket. What is the total number of runs scored by him? Both forms. How can we find first test match runs scored in test match by Tendulkar? How much? 15,003. Runs scored in one day match. How much? 18,311. So now we have to find the total number. Total number of runs is scored. So by adding these two, we have to get the total number. So 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 8 plus 5, 13, 1, 33. So the total number of runs equal to 33,141. So get the total runs scored by the total number of runs is 33,141. Okay, go to the example 2. A newspaper is published every day. It contains 16 pages. Every day 15,020 copies are printed. How many pages are printed every day? Here, a newspaper published every day. Okay, it contains 8. Here one book. Here book is there. This book is having up to 206. A newspaper is also having the newspaper is contains 16 pages. Every day, how many copies is printed? 15,020 printed. How many pages is printed every day? Let's see. Number of how many copies are printed every day? One 15,020. Each copy has how many pages? 16 pages. Each copy has 16 pages. So here how many printed every day? 15,020. How many pages? Each copy has 16 pages. So we have to multiply the 1520 into 16. 1520 into 16. So 0, 6 2s are 12, 1, 1, 6 5s are 30, 0, 3, 6, 6 plus 9, 6 plus 3, 9, 0, 2, 0, 5, 1, 0, 2, 3, 0, 9, 14, 1, 2, 4, 2, we will get the 2, 4, 3, 2, 0, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, 0. So he printed every day, the newspaper printed every day how many pages? Newspaper printed how many pages? 2,40,320 pages every day. This is the answer. Go to the third one. Third one. Example 3. A hotel has 15 liters milk. 25 liters of milk is required to prepare cup of tea. How many cups tea can be made with the milk? So quality of milk in the hotel. The hotel having how much milk? 15 liters milk already having. The hotel has 15 liters milk. 25 liters milk for required to prepare for the tea. So how many cups of tea can made with the milk? So we already know the 15. 1 liter is equal to 1000 millimeters. So we have to multiply 15 into 1000. 15,000 milliliters. We all know the 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. So 15 into 1000, 15,000 milliliters. So since 25 cups, 25 milliliters of milk is required each cup of tea. Milk required each cup of tea. Number of cups of tea that can be made. Each cup of tea, number of cups that he made, 1500, so 15,000. How many cups? 25. So divided by 25. Here how can we divide it by 25? 1, 5. How many times? 6 25s. 625 150. So 600. I know the answer is 600. A hotel quality already having a milk. How many liters? 15 liters is there. So you have to convert the liters into milliliters. So 15 into 1 liter equal to 1000 millimeters. You have to multiply 15,000 into 15 into 1000. You will get the 1500 milliliters. So 25 milliliters of milk required to prepare the cup of tea. How much you can make? You have to divide that 15,000 milliliters into 25. So we will get the answer is 6.